Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Also consider ringing the bell icon so you get notified when I upload videos. But in this video today, I want to talk about this app here. It's called App Optics. It is like one of the easiest things you can do to get some extra spare cash from using your mobile device, guys. All you have to do is literally download the app and leave it on your phone. That is all. They will give you $30. Actually, I'm gonna show you my rewards here, and you can see how it works. Well, before I show you my rewards, actually let me show you how it works. So you just fill out your like little profile questions that they ask you once you try to sign up, and once you get approved, you can download it. They'll email you. So this is what it says here. App Optics rewards work based on a point system. Once you reach 300 points, the points will be replenished with Amazon gift cards. You can check your current points directly through the My Rewards section of the App Optics application. 50 bonus points for completing your account profile, 100 points every month. Participation required. They just mean just leave it on your phone. That's really it. Then you can check the current status of your points by clicking on My Rewards. And if you upgrade, just or replace the device, you can just transfer it to your new device. Just download the app again, enter it with the same email that you logged up with, and that's really it, guys. Very simple. So let's click on. Oh, actually, here we go. It says your current points is 300. So I'm now eligible for $10 Amazon rewards, and they will send it to me within the next 72 hours. That's it, guys. This is so freaking easy. I just downloaded it on my phone and left it on there, and that's it. And I have switched devices within the time that was allowed it. So basically, about 3 months, and every 3 months you'll get another $10 just for leaving it on your phone. That's really it, guys. You shouldn't have any questions, but if you do, just drop a comment, and don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and till next time, make some money easy. Peace out.